What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at SPD. So, and here we go again with another quick shop action episode. And today I got a badass little product feature from PPE. If you've never dealt with these guys are amazing. We've been dealing with them for years. We've done a bunch of their products on a lot of the trucks here for our clients, and we always get amazing results. I had a chance to sit down with them at SEMA, and we talked about this particular product here and future products coming out. One of the cool things is that they're going to be coming out with an intercooler pipe kit for factory applications that looks amazing. It looks very well put together. Everything about that kit looks so badass. I can't wait for it to come out for us to be able to offer it to our clients. So getting back to what we see in front of you, what we're seeing here is the intercooler kit. This right here is the actual intercooler for a 6.7 liter Powerstroke. It comes with cold side pipe and hot side pipe for it. This bad boy right here has been proven to lower your intake air temperatures, increase airflow to allow for more boost, and overall increase the efficiency of your engine. What you see behind me is a client. This is a 6.7 liter Powerstroke dually, and he tows his camper across the nation. We're actually doing some other repairs to it right now, but as we were talking about his repairs, he said, Benny, is there anything else I can do to my truck to make it more efficient to help me pull my camper? And I said, say less. We have this PPE intercooler kit that will do just what you're looking for. So here we go. We're gonna be putting it on his truck. He's gonna love it. The truck's gonna love him for it, and it's gonna be amazing for the client. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm always glad to offer the best products for the best results to all of our clients. So thank you guys again for all the love and support. If you guys have any questions on anything we feature here, always feel free to hit us up at the office or hit us up on social media. We always love chatting with you guys. Peace.